A few weeks ago, I was going through comments on my channel and one question kept coming back again and again. Is HeyGen AI actually useful, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested enough tools to know that flashy demos don't always tell the full story, so instead of guessing, I decided to use it properly and see what it's really like. Step 1. First impression. The first thing I noticed after logging in was how simple everything felt. No clutter, no confusing buttons. You're basically pushed straight into creating a video. That's a good start. I've learned the hard way that a clean dashboard doesn't always mean good results. Step 2. First test, making a video. For the first test, I kept things basic. I pasted in a short script, picked an avatar, and clicked generate. About a minute later, the video was ready. The avatar spoke clearly, followed the script perfectly, and honestly, it didn't look bad at all. Was it flawless? No. But for a first try, it was better than I expected. Step 3. Trying different styles. Next, I played around with different tones. Casual, energetic, more professional. HeyGen actually responded pretty well to those changes. But here's the reality check. If your script is boring, the video still feels boring. The AI doesn't magically fix weak content. Good input still matters. Step 4. Where it starts to struggle. After watching closely, a few issues stood out. Lip sync wasn't perfect every time. Some movements felt a bit stiff. A few lines sounded slightly unnatural. Nothing deal-breaking, but noticeable if you're paying attention. Step 5. The real pros and cons. What I like: fast video creation. Very beginner-friendly. Great for short content and pitches. What I didn't: not fully realistic. Needs solid scripts to shine. Not great for long, detailed videos. Final take: worth it or overhyped? Here's my honest opinion. HeyGen isn't perfect, but it's definitely not a gimmick. If you want quick videos and don't mind adding a bit of polish afterward, it's worth trying. But if you're expecting movie-level realism straight out of the box, you'll be disappointed. In 2026, it's a useful tool for creators, not a replacement for real actors or editors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.